Good morning and hello, my name is Rastislav. Let's talk something about an electric motors. Top is the reversal of the electric motor through emergency switch. Now lights up red. Now the bike turns to the left, lights up red. And switch lights up green. Now the bike turns to the right, lights up green. If lights up green, bike turns to the right. If lights up red, bike turns to the left. Thank you. Goodbye.